for S-162 GPS UAV. Preparations before flight. After the UAV battery is fully charged, connect it to the USB charging cable and insert the cable into the charging plug. And the charging time is about 180 minutes. Then put AAA battery in the remote control. Parts replacement. If there is damage to the blades, please replace them in time. First, remove the retaining screws, then take out the blades. Also pay attention to distinguishing blades corresponding to A, B. When replacing them, replace and install blades according to the schematic diagram of the wind vane. And the wrong blade position of A and B will cause the UAV unable to take off or damage. For battery replacement, press and hold the battery buckle, pull the old battery out, take out the new battery and put it in again. Pre-flight frequency matching operation. Be sure to follow the tutorial below for the first time frequency matching. Place the aircraft on a level surface, press and hold the power button for 2 seconds to turn it on, and then turn on the remote control. After the remote control beeps twice, the aircraft's front light keeps on and the rear light flashes slowly, meaning successful frequency matching. Gyroscope calibration. After the frequency is matched, push the right and right levers of the remote control to the lower right at the same time. At this time, the front and rear indicator lights flash rapidly, and the gyroscope enters the calibration state. Then the flight indicator lights change from flash to constant light, showing the completion of the calibration. Completed. Compass calibration. Step 1. After placing the calibrated aircraft on the horizontal plane, press the geomagnetic calibration button. The air vehicle will remote horizontally for 3 seconds. Then the remote control beeps once and until the rear indicator light keeps on, showing the horizontal calibration is completed. Step 2. Vertical calibration. Put the air vehicle head up and rotate it for 3 seconds. Then the remote control beeps and the front indicator light keeps on, meaning the compass calibration is completed. Calibration's best distance is above 1 meter from the ground. Do not calibrate in strong magnetic field area, such as magnetic field, parking lot, building area with underground reinforcement, etc. During calibration, do not carry ferromagnetic materials, such as keys, mobile phones, etc. Do not calibrate near large metal. GPS satellite calibration. After completing compass calibration, place the aircraft on horizontal plane, then it will automatically navigate satellites. Finally, the big head of the remote control is unlocked. Warm tips. Please make sure that there is no interference around the takeoff environment, and the satellite signal is greater than 7 stars before takeoff. App download connection. Download the app by scanning the QR code in the mobile phone menu. Find the Wi-Fi of the aircraft in the mobile phone settings and click Connect. Enter in the app. Warm tips. If users use Android phones, they need to open the app first, update the map of my location, and then link to the aircraft Wi-Fi to log on the app. Photos and videos. There is a photo and video button on the app. Users can take photos and videos by themselves. They can also use the photo recording button on the remote control. Users can also use their own high-speed TF card which can be installed in the fuselage to save HD aerial footage. Basic function demonstration. UAV takeoff operation, remote control big head unlocking, left hand throttle lever up push takeoff, down push landing. Users can click one key to take off and one key to land. The left joystick controls moving up and down, right or left. Right joystick controls moving forward, backward, right, left. Speed adjustment. Users can automatically press the speed adjustment button to switch between high, medium, and low, 3 speed modes. Points of interest surround. Users can choose their favorite scenery and click on the surround button. Put the rudder to the left to surround left, and put it to right to surround right. Press the surround button again to cancel the surround mode. GPS Smart Track. Click the photo icon on the app interface. The aircraft will follow the positioning coordinates of the mobile phone to achieve intelligent track. Gesture recognition. When the aircraft recognizes ear gestures, it starts to count down in 3 seconds. When it recognizes palm gestures, it starts recording. Route planning. Click the route planning icon on the interface to plan any route you like within the circle. Click on execution and the aircraft will fly according to the planned route. Headless mode. After the aircraft takes off, press the headless mode button. At this time, the aircraft does not need to identify the direction. Press again to exit headless mode. MV recording. Click the record button to enter MV recording interface. Select your favorite music and filter. And click record to take a big picture of TikTok. One key return. Press the one key return button on the remote control, and the aircraft will automatically return. Out of control return. During the flight, if the remote control signal is interrupted for more than 6 seconds, the aircraft will automatically return. Low battery return. When the aircraft is low on power, the remote control will automatically keep and the aircraft will automatically return to the ground.